Okay, blow the candle. Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you for supporting me.
Yay! Kamsahamnida! Kimyong-sunim! So, today's birthday celebration of Ate Bea is from? Okay, so everyone? Okay, so Manimogo everyone. Happy birthday, Ate. And then, Ate, these fruits are from Orachachanim. So this is worth 1,000 pesos of fruits. Kamsahamnida Orachachanim. Okay, enjoy the rest of the day, everyone. Sige, kaon na mo.
It was just like a movie, just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, because nobody told me that you'd be here.
Masaya, Ate Jocelyn. So, you're asking for the fee for your illustration board. That is for your project, Ate? Okay, and also for your fare for tomorrow's school. Okay, so I'll be giving you 100 pesos, and that is for your allowance for the jeepney fare and also for your illustration board. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Anyong hasayo, Angel? Okay, so, Victory name. Naghatag nimo og worth 1,000 for grocery. So, pili og unsay gusto nimo lang. Okay, buta lang diha. Diha. Nay itlog sa ubos. Na. Tara, itlog lang ay. Eggs. Nasa ubos. Na. Okay.
Salamat na yan.
Okay, pagkuwag itlog.
Hoy!
Okay. Egg. Diaper. For your baby, for your... Okay. Besok, be. Pila? Hutdon. Then, kani. Okay. Then, Bioderm. Sa paman? Ariel? Ariel.
Next. Oh. Hindi kuha.
May explain.
Sige, kuha lang. Tara, pagkuha lang niyo. Na. Then, na. Ako. Okay, magic sarap. What else? Isa pa lang. Joy. Juice lang. Tang. Naratang. Milo. Tang. Go, Angel. Go, go, go. Okay. Annyeong haseyo, students!
Annyeong haseyo.
So, di mo gikan? Sa eskwelahan di ay. So, since you afternoon class man mo no. So, si Norpon sa namon nim, Kang nim, and Chusongjin nim, give us a snacks. Okay. What can you say?
Kangning Songjin, Norpon Kamsamida.
Okay. Sige, pagkuha na mo. Pagkuha na mo. Enjoy. Ito nga. Hotdog. Yeah. Kain, kain, kain. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kamsahamnida.
Oh, why you are crying? Sa gali, gason nga nung nihila ka ati. Come here, dali. Dali, teacher. Oh, so, do not cry, okay? Oh, your kuya just told you to get out first because he will get the clothes, okay? Okay, mamilo man si kuya. Ha? Oh, so, do not cry. You must understand your kuya. It's because he's doing the household chores. Okay, ate? Ha? Oh, you understand your kuya, ha? And you obey your kuya, okay? And also, are you okay now? Have you been well? So, wala na siya init ate, no? So, pag 3 days jud siya nga init ate, and then pag 3 days na imo na siyang gipa-check up. Yeah, what is the result man daw ate? Pneumonia. So, nagdala gid itong ubo. Iyang hilanat.
Oo, ay ubo pa nagsari na pud sipon ka nang magkuan ko na siya kanang magpin-off. Ubo jud og sipon.
Nya, nakauyon naman ka siya sa tamban.
Kauyon naman kay pag Friday man to na ako ipa-check up. Pagka Saturday sa gabi wala naman siya nainit.
Okay na, but expensive sa dang kwanti, no?
Low kay ang
Daghan.
check up long doon kay 700. Ang
Sa mo ato maktan
Sa
daw?
katunya ka. Ano ba katunya?
Ah, private sad mo.
Private man. Kaya diha man na siya naanad. Gikan pagkabata. Maanad man jud siya. Usara ka check up. Ma-okay naman siya.
Pero may na lang kay okay na siya.
Pila to? Nahurat? 1-4.
So, today siya naka-absent sa formal school. But, excuse man no, kay na-inform man kati. So, sa study room, 3 days sad. But,
Kumusta maganit ko yung
Excuse
teacher
na.
sa formal school siya? Okay na ba si Kisha?
okay.
So, okay naman.
Karon pa ba, so far in
Oh,
town, no? Karon ako nakakuan ba,
Oo,
nakadungog nga,
gilantan
gilantan in town. Kaya, wabi, jud in town ni absent sa
Oo.
study room nga, about sa sickness
Baya
ba?
kay na kay
In town, pero buyag. So,
sa'yo mo kay mo at
I'm glad. Thanks God also, Ate Kisha, that you are now okay. Ha? So, be healthy, ha? Okay? And if you're going to play, you always wipe your back. Okay? Kay singot. Apil niya. Inta bro buyag. At active kay ba? Sila Juning Caitlyn, mag best friend. Ate ha. Okay? So, it's good to know that you are now okay. Just inform teacher, okay, if naglain na sa limong lawas, ha? And then, always, drink your medicine also. If maglain dyan na lawas. Just tell your mama, ha? Okay? Promise? Fighting? Be healthy, ha? Sige. So, thank you kay ate.
Oh, thank you,
Salamat
teacher.
kayo, Iki.
Lagi.
Nakuyan, parehan ni Kung Juba. 3 days, sad baya to.
Amo lagi. Kasagaran ang nagpa-check up dito parehas sa niya eh. Balik-balik jud hilanat.
Update lang ti kung unsa manggali kay